weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina and Summit, and Avon Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 311, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina and Summit, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 311 has been issued from 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina and Summit, and Avon Point to Willowick. Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 311, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 311 has been issued from 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina, and Avon Point to Willowick.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Reno Beach to the Avon Point, Ohio, from the shore out to the U.S.-Canadian border until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Sandusky Bay, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Sandusky Bay, Huron and Lorain Harbor. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. in northwestern Ohio. The forecast.
Phone is infected. Oh, that's an ad. Stupid.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Southern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greene, or near Akron, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Akron, Canton, Massillon, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Talmadge, North Canton, Louisville, Mogator, Minerva, Hartville, Brewster, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Wilmette, New Franklin, Norton, and Canal Fulton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, and Summit.
Has issued a tornado warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Massillon, or 11 miles west of Canton, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Message, tornado. First, radar indicates speed is approximately 65 degrees and up 36 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Very damaged pipeline. This news will be EAS with a water booster around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Waynesburg around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the thunderstorm tonight. Canal Fulton, Beach City, Mines Lake, Golden Tails, East Canton, and Greentown.
No, so good.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Portage County in northeastern Ohio, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday at 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain is likely as more storms move into the area before midnight. Areas known to accumulate water will flood with the heavy rain. Move away from low-lying areas immediately. Some locations that will experience flooding include Akron, Canton, Youngstown, Salem, Ravenna, Columbiana, Cuyahoga Falls, Boardman, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Hudson, Twinsburg, Calamich, North Canton, Streetsboro, Macedonia, and Louisville. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Summit. The forecast for The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Cuyahoga River at Old Portage from this evening until Friday afternoon at 11 p.m. Thursday. The stage was 10.7 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 10.5 feet at 11.0 feet. Floodwaters will begin to affect areas along the Cuyahoga River and Cuyahoga Falls and in Monroe Falls near Kennedy